Is your workspace holding you back? Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or just someone working from home, your desk setup definitely defines your productivity. Today we're building the ultimate ergonomic headquarters with two game chambers from COLAMY, the Lumidesk all-in-one electric height adjustable desk and the Atlas Ergonomic Office Chair. Stick around for the unboxing, assembly, and full review. The packaging is solid. Everything arrived well and protected. What immediately strikes you is the quality. For Lumidesk, the beautiful wood grain and the integrated features. For the Atlas Chair, the premium feel of the mesh and the sturdy structure. This looks like it can handle a home, a busy office, or professional studio environment. And trust me, I've assembled a lot of desks and chairs in my time. I'm looking for clear instructions and smart design, and right out of the box, COLAMY looks promising. Starting with the desk assembly, everything is clearly labeled. The fact that the drawer and power are pre-integrated saves me so much time. Honestly, this is one of the quickest and least frustrating electric standing desk builds that I've done. This integrated design dramatically cuts down the build time. Moving on to the Atlas Chair, it's quality and simple. 5 wheels, the piston, and the backrest. The way that the back connects and the armrests are pre-installed is genius. If you're someone who hates putting together furniture, this setup is designed for you. It's a massive win for ease of assembly. Now that it's built, let's dive into the Lumidesk features. First, the core functional height adjustment. It's smooth, it's quiet, and the display clearly shows your current height. The memory presets mean that you can lock in your perfect sitting and standing positions instantly. And finally, the power hub. No more messy cables running to the power strip. Plus, the integrated drawer keeps small items tucked away neatly. A great desk needs a great chair. The Atlas focuses entirely on ergonomics. We have the key adjustment points, the multi-directional lumbar support, and it's exceptional. This isn't fixed, so you can truly dial in the support that you need, which is a must for long editing sessions or office work. The headrest is adjustable in both height and angle, and the 4D armrests offer full range of motion, up, down, forward, back, and pivot the perfect way for any task. And finally, the mesh material. No more sweaty backs. The premium mesh is key for comfort, especially in a warm studio or office. You can also recline and lock the chair in various angles for a quick break. So, does this setup work for a studio? Absolutely. How about our home office? The clean lines and exceptional ergonomics are perfect for 8+ hour workdays. And what about your home? It's stylish enough to blend in without looking like bland office equipment. The best part about this whole transition, we went from boxes to this fully functional aesthetic setup in minimal time. Because of how incredibly easy both the Lumidesk and the Atlas Chair were to assemble, you can get to your workspace upgraded and get back to work much faster. After spending time with the COLAMY Lumidesk and the Atlas Chair, I can confidently say that this is one of the best value for money setups available. The integration of power combined with the comprehensive adjustability of the Atlas makes for an incredible workspace. If you want to upgrade your home, office, or studio, you can find links to both of these in the description below. Let me know in the comments what feature is most important to you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Stay techy.